not pay me enough to do both. So as a matter of protest, I am just going to live at my job. And we'll see how long I can get away with this. I'm in Seattle. And Seattle is one of the more expensive cities in the US. When I moved here, I was only able to afford a 100 square foot apartment, which was around $1,300. It's a box. Welcome to my studio apartment. This whole situation was was the perfect storm. My rent was going up by $300, and I'm like, $300 for the small little place? That's around the time I discovered that my office had an office downtown, and it was this beautiful space, but it was big, empty because of COVID, and that's when I was like, when I found out I wasn't getting a performance review, found out I wasn't getting a raise, I was like, perfect, we're going downtown, and it was a perfect location too. Oh, this is where I slept last night. Got my fabrics, because I make clothes sometimes. Got all my books. The refrigerator was completely empty. So I brought my signature meal, my primary meal, which is ham and pineapple. I bought about $100 worth, and I put it all in the fridge. I had a rice cooker, so I just brought the rice cooker. They already had tea, they had coffee, free, all that, perfect. In the second building, we have a men's shower in the bathroom, okay? We got towels, and we got 2 showers. Come on now, I thought this out, baby. I posted it on Tuesday, it went viral on Wednesday, they knew about it on Wednesday, and they contacted me on Thursday. They were like, are you living out of the office? And for me, I was like, okay, deny until we figure out what's going on. They were like, yeah, okay, so either way, regardless of what is true or false, we need you to remove your personal items from the office. We need you to delete the videos. We'll review whether or not we can give you a performance review or measure to see if you're being paid the market rate for the position. Kind of explained, he was like, it's making us look bad that we have somebody, that we have the situation, and then our employees could end up feeling bad.
Should I delete?
People had already started reaching out with job opportunities, and I'd already been interviewing different places. Going back to a company that wasn't paying me enough, didn't respect me enough to give me a performance review when I asked for one, or when I was expecting one, as is common after a year, and that was told to me during the interview phase. Rather than going back to a company that doesn't respect me, I just got evicted. It ended up being a decision between this unknown, but I have hella options, or somebody that doesn't respect me, and we're like, it was kind of easy. Yeah, I mean, this wouldn't fly in most workplaces, but that's the point. Hopefully your employees don't feel like they have to do wild shit to save money. My experience has taught me that as far as this system that we've created goes, it's made to maximize profit for the investment that is put in. And oftentimes, especially as businesses get bigger and bigger, the human part of that is minimized. If you want something to change in your life, you got to make that change, because no one else cares about you. You need to make that change for yourself.